Today's recipe is yummy tawa pizza. This is cheesy and delicious and crisp on the bottom. Let's make it together. Set a pan on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon olive oil and stir fry some onions, some bell peppers, some mushroom. Don't stir fry too long, we like it a little crunchy. Take it off the heat and cool it down. For the pizza base, we are going to combine 3/4 cups of semolina, half a cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Give that a mix and add 3/4 cups of water. We are going to mix that into a dough. The dough is going to be slightly wet and sticky like that. Next, we are going to coat a pan with olive oil. Do not turn on the heat as yet. Pour in your batter or dough and spread it into a round pizza shape. This pan, guys, is 11 inches in diameter, so it's a big pan. If you're using a smaller pan, just cut down the proportions of the recipe. We are going to cook it on low heat, and I'm poking some holes with a toothpick so it cooks faster. Once the surface doesn't feel wet anymore, it's time to apply some olive oil on the surface so that when you flip it, it crisps up really well. And the best way to flip the pizza crust is using a chopping board, the way I showed you. Next, we're going to spread some pizza sauce. If you want the recipe of homemade pizza sauce, check out the link in the description. Next, we're going to spread loads of cheese. I used Amul cheese and of course a lot of mozzarella cheese. Next, I'm going to place all our toppings. I'm sprinkling some oregano here. You can use any Italian seasoning, a little bit of olive oil and covering it with little more cheese. Red chili flakes, always yes, and I totally forgot to add olives, so I'm doing that now. We are going to cover it, let the cheese melt. Make sure the base is nice and crisp, guys. If not, cook the pizza crust a little bit longer, and there you go, your tawa pizza is ready.